Oh Lord, what a beautiful view today. What a beautiful view today. Now, you can't see it, but that water is gorgeous. Tell you what, one thing that I obsess over but hate doing, that is roof maintenance, but you got to do it. We're about to get into the heavy summer season, or it's going to come up pretty soon, and we're pretty far south down here in the Keys, so UV is going to be heavy. We're really looking into that RV shade, or shade RV thing. It's a canopy basically that goes all the way over from one end to the other, and keeps the shade on the roof. So we're going to look into that. But today I got to make sure all the sealant's good. I got to do my least favorite thing and pull the covers off the ACs and get those cleaned. We've got to clean the coils. Got to keep up on that stuff. But I tell you what, a roof leak, worst nightmare. So it scares the crap out of me. So that's why I try to stay on top of it very judiciously. But look, good view up here. See the ocean down there in the distance. Love it. Sky high view, Fiesta Key. All right, so anywho, I'm going to clean. I got to clean off and get all this stuff out of the way, scrape some of the sealant, the old loose sealant off. I'm going to tape off the back there and do that whole back seam. I use a no rinse foam and cleanser. You can get this at Home Depot. Comes with a brush. Super easy. Dates, look at those big dates. I know, that looks good, right? This is the first part of my day today. Is at the Key Colony Market with Mel, who's wheeling and dealing, and this place is pretty big. There's a lot of tents here, so we're gonna be here for a while, but she's doing her thing. So I tried to keep up, but I just can't. Mel's over there doing her thing at the market, and I'm gonna sit under the shade, so this is me. All right, today's a special day, or got some friends that bought a used pontoon boat. Problem is there's no trailer, so we're gonna sail it from Key Largo through the intercoastal waterways down to Fiesta Key. It's about 31 nautical miles, so it's a little windy today, but we're gonna get it done. So stick around. Home on the Hitch. The wind's died down for now, but we got a long ride. Me and Hope are gonna get loaded up here and get on the way. This is beautiful. This water is gorgeous. What a good day. What a good day. Ain't it? Gorgeous. I dove with him with us. There it is, coming up again.
Look, he just is popping up. His little nose to Big Brother's so cute.
Brittany's gonna be out here the rest of the day.
Yeah, just watching this manatee.
Yeah. So cool. They are.
It is cool. Never know what you're gonna see out here. Kind of groovy. But kind of groovy. It's not bad. Manatee. Water's getting warmer. It's coming back in the marina. Should be seeing a lot of them soon, so that's pretty awesome. So, I think a store runs to the convenience store is a little different down here. We just take this golf cart and haul butt down the road, or the side of the road. This is Layton, Florida. Very small town of Layton. It's on Long Key, but yeah, the quick stop. That's something that a lot of folks don't know, is that there is a bike trail that runs down pretty much the entire, or a lot of the highway, from the majority of the highway from Key West, or from Key Largo all the way to Key West. But and a lot of parts of it, the bike lane is actually on the highway. There's a small area reserved for bikes out here. There's a very wide golf cart, walking, and e-bike path as well that runs through a lot of the town. So we just happen to have a big section of it that runs from the RV park all the way down, way past Layton, almost a marathon, so, which is about 20 some odd miles. So yeah, that's actually the bike lane right there. And then in this section of the highway, we've got this very wide path to ride on. So yeah, there's a couple of restaurants down through there. We'll drive down to the Florida Boy. If you're down here, or you've been down here, you know where that's at. We go to the Florida Boy a lot. So we've been helping our friends get this old boat kind of cleaned up a little bit and ship shape for our adventures, hopefully, with them. I don't know if you noticed in the initial video when we were bringing it back, the mold and everything that was all over the seats, and just a shot from here, I saw it in some of the footage that I had basically covered. We've been cleaning, not really hard, but using this Miracle Mist. Saw it on actually TikTok, the old TikTok, and it cleaned this stuff up pretty nice. So, you know, the seats are old. It's an old boat. A lot of it's worn, like this area right here is worn down. That's just from use, but the mold and everything is super clean. So that's pretty cool. It's super windy, too windy for us to be out on the boat, but that's all right. We're gonna noodle around. Gives me a project to do while I'm off and while Mel's working. And yes, Mel is still around. We just haven't figured out how to get our schedules lined up yet, but it's coming. It's coming. Next week or two, I think we've got it figured out where we're going to be off at the same time, because we got a lot of big adventures coming up down here. There's so much to do, so much to do. So make sure you stick around, because we're going to be sharing a lot of that with you guys. The girls are coming down in a few weeks, in about a month and a half. They're going to be down here for 4 or 5 days. I can't wait for them to get here. I miss them so much. We've got a lot planned. We're going to head out to Alligator Reef Lighthouse, hopefully on the boat, if the weather allows and the waves are good to us. So make sure you stick around for that. Remember to take care of each other, love each other, and make every moment count.